The Mistakes People Make, Episode 37. Chocolate's a vegetable. Chocolate is the very essence of luxury. It's connected to notions of comfort, decadence, and even romance. It's also mispronounced by most people. Chocolate is a word with an elided syllable. That means we don't pronounce it. Rather than chocolate, we say chocolate. Vegetable is another one. We don't say VEG-A-TAY-BULL, we say vegetable. And then there's jewelry, apparently with 4 syllables. That's too many. So we only use 2 of them. It's not jewelry, it's jewelry. There are many more of them, so make sure you keep an ear out. One evening, Nigel was generous, reasonable, and complimentary. Sadly, it was only temporary. He was soon back to his miserable self. Oh well. Yes, and you. Inspiring learning.